Hi everyone. I would like to give a demonstration of Maple. When I open Maple, I have a choice to create a new document or a new worksheet. I'm going to choose New Document. If I want to make the toolbar at the top of the screen appear with larger icons, I can go to Tools, Options, Interface, and click on Large Toolbar Icons. Then click Apply to Session. That will make these icons larger. For the items in the drop-down menus, there are shortcuts available. For example, to save, the shortcut would be Control-S. A list of these shortcuts can be found on the Maple documentation screen. Here are a list of shortcut keys for Windows. As you notice, Control-S saves the worksheets, and there are many other options as well. The pallets are located along the left-hand side of the screen, and to my knowledge, these cannot be made larger. You can slide the bar to the left and the right, but that doesn't really change the size. It is possible to perform all of the options and operations from the pallets using command line. I'd like to show you an example. If a student were to click on Calculus and then integrate x squared, they would find the antiderivative. Now, this can be made larger by doing Control 3, Control 4, Control 5, and so forth, up to a magnification of 400% with Control 7. This 2D math input can actually be converted to command line. One way to do that would be go to the Format, Convert to 1D Math Input. And there we see the command line. Alternatively, a student who is taking a course from SUNY Empire can look in their course or reach out to their course instructor or go to the Maple documentation to learn what the command line would be. So for example, if I typed integrate x squared, comma, x, I would get the same answer. To find this documentation on Maple's page, you would type in whatever mathematical command, whether it's differentiate or integrate, and then you would see all of the different options for using that command. This might seem burdensome, but we all go through this process of learning how to use software, and this would be true for students using Pallets or students using command lines. Anytime we encounter a new software, we go to the documentation, and it is precisely this process of learning and debugging and getting the computer to do what we want that is a very important skill for students to learn as they go out into the real world.